my name is Vanessa, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a new profile in Opera Cloud. First of all, the first picture that you will have in the program is this part. Here you can see, for example, the arrivals, the room status, the in-house or occupied rooms, the departures, and other types of options. But today we are going to use this part, the part of client relations. If you click here, you can see these two options. You can choose profiles and then manage profile. If you click there, this is going to appear. And here, for example, if you want to create a new profile, first you have to check if the profile is not in existence right now. If it is, you will repeat it, and we don't want it. So you have to check if it exists in the system. And here you can write the last name. For example, today I'm going to create the profile of a person called Brisa Aguirre. So I'm going to search for that name. I write Aguirre and then Brisa. And then we click here in search. If it exists, it might appear, but I know that it doesn't exist here, so it will appear you have no search results yet, and that means that I'm able to create that profile. So I go here to I want to, and you click and you have all these options, but we are going to choose the one of guest profile, and you click here, and then you have to fill all the spaces. Well, not all of them, just the ones that I'm going to tell you right now. For example, the last name, for sure that we have to put it. I have searched it, so it automatically put it here. But if the program didn't do that, you have to write all the last name and then the first name, and then middle name is not important. Then you have to select the language that they speak. If you click here in this icon, you can find all the options that we have, and for the moment we just have English and Spanish. And we are going to click Spanish or the language that you want to choose. And I want to choose Spanish. Well, not that you want to choose, the language that the people speak. Yeah. So you click in select. And then title is not important for the moment. And then you have to write the number of the person. I'm going to imagine it, for example, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 1, and 5. Yeah, but you have to write the real name. Well, the real number when you are making the register here. Yeah, but for educational things, we are writing just something that I just imagined. And then the email, I'm going to write, I don't know, Brisa, just Brisa. And then I complete it. And yeah, then in the part of the address, I recommend you to first choose the country, because if you write all the other things first, it's going to be difficult to, well, it will erase it when you choose the country. So first you have to choose it. And I'm going to look for Mexico. Yeah, and where is Mexico? Also, you can learn all the codes. For example, for Mexico is MX, so it's easier to choose it when you are making a register. And then you write the city, and then you write the address. For example, I don't know, yeah. And then you choose again the language. That's the code for Spanish, so I wrote it. And then you have all the things that you have to complete. Well, if there is another country different to Mexico, probably will appear all the states that it has, but here we don't have the information yet in the system, so we don't choose it. But if you can fill it. And then that's all. Basically, you have to fill all of that, and then you click in Save Profile and add more details if you want to add the preferences. And then that's what you will see if you click in Save. And here's the name, the address, the email, the telephone, and the language, on all the things that you did, that you wrote just a moment ago. And here we have different options. We are going to click in Preferences in the part of Profile. Here we have all of this, and here we have Preferences. If you can't see all of these things, you can choose you can click in Show All, and then they will have to appear. And then you click in Preferences, and here we have this window. We have to click in New, and we are going to choose all the preferences that the person has. For example, let's imagine that Brisa likes to stay in the first floor, and then we have to click here, and we select first floor. We have two options. We can click in this arrow, and it will change to the other window, and that means that you have selected it. And the other option is to, for example, let's imagine that, I don't know, she likes to she has an allergy, a pet allergy. Then you can select this option and just you can just you just can't take the arrow. Yeah, I thought that there was another option, but there is not. And we have the two preferences, the first floor and the pet allergies. And then you have all the preferences that you want to add. Well, not that you want to add, that the person has. And then you can click Save. And here we have them. They are already in the system, and you can close this. And then if we go to this part, we are going to see that the preferences that we have are two for this client. If you click it, you can see them again. And that would be all for registering a preferences and to create a new client profile. I hope that you liked it, and follow me to watch more videos of this kind. I will be explaining Opera options, and well, that's all. Bye.